everyone. So today I'll be giving you a view of what Makoko looks like. I know you might have seen it on TV, news, documentaries, and even on YouTube. Yes, this is a drone view and a look into Makoko 2022. So I'm going around Makoko for the first time ever. Some parts of Makoko is built on a stilt and some parts of Makoko is on land. So I was very curious to see for myself what this Makoko looks like because I have watched it all over the news, on TV and all that stuff. It has 85,000 plus population and that was 2007. So far, the new record hasn't been set for the Makoko population. And yes, what you see in this place, there are people actually fishing on this same water. Due to the large percent of this population, some people on this community has no electricity, and I was simply surprised and amazed just going through this water to see children who live and bathe on this same water while they are poop in the water, and people even eat close to the water. It was so scary. There is no toilet system here. Everything goes into the same water. They swim with the water, they poo on the water, and the garbage from town, when it rains, comes into the water. I wanted to experience this myself, and honestly, it was so disturbing to look at. I also noticed that the language spoken here is the Egun language. Majority of people here also understand the Yoruba language and speaks it fluently. Please let me know your opinion on the comment section as I'll be reading. But first, let's take a look at Makoko.
See the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe, and everything you do is pain. Love me.
My YouTube channel. So today we are at the popular Makoko Slum. I've been hearing so much about this place. I've watched it on YouTube, watched it online, and we finally got here. It was so stressful getting here, but I'm glad we are here. And getting here, I can see that people actually live here, but the water is dirty. It smells. There are poop inside the water. I'm like, how do they live here? Like, do they not contact disease by living in this place? Is it safe for these people to live here? I'm still shocked to see that this is their lives actually. So we are going to go around this place. And here in Makoko Slum, the language that is spoken here is Ogono. Is it Ogono?
No, Egun.
The language that is spoken here is Ego. I have someone behind the camera, so I thought it was Yoruba, but then she explained to me that it is Ego language. So I just go around the place and see, what the place has to offer and what it looks like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please hit the subscribe button. When you see young kids, like look at children around actually living in this world. I'm sorry that the video was really short. It was really difficult filming here because according to the people, a white man had recently arrived and filmed the place, and now the government is threatening to shut it down because the place is too dirty and too unhealthy to live. So I was charged the sum of 100k naira to film, and as a YouTuber who doesn't have much audience, that was so much for me to afford, so I couldn't pay for it. But it was too bad I didn't really get to go around the Makoko as much as I would like to. It was at the end of this video, a big fight broke out. Apparently, the king of boys, who is also the head of the youth there in Makoko, had to come out to fight me for flying my drone and for carrying my camera around. We had to bail ourselves out of the issue. It was such a big issue. A lot of people had to come out to speak on my behalf. But that was it for this video. Do leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.